Again, if you're thinking about buying one, go ahead and get it. There's a link in the description down below. If you haven't yet seen my full review of the Ultrahuman Ring Air, check out this video here where I unbox, give my first impressions, walk through the app, all the features and functions that this tiny little piece of technology holds inside of it, and all of the interesting app insights that are there as well. There goes my dog. Give that a video a watch, come back to this one, or watch this one first, then go watch that one. I think you'll learn a lot from it. It's been my favorite smart ring that I have seen on the market. Today we have a very special review of their brand new colorway, model, whatever you want to call it. It is their raw titanium look. I currently have the, I think it's space silver or something. I wanted it to kind of match my wedding band, so it's kind of got that same look. But if you have one of the new iPhones, you know that raw titanium look is really big, looks really nice, and I'm excited to see Ultrahuman's take on that raw titanium look. So without further ado, we're gonna crack into the Ultrahuman Ring Air in raw titanium. Nice pull tab here. I love when unboxings are easy. So just the basic sort of matte black finish look we have going for the box. That's all that comes in the package. Very Apple-esque packaging. Logos, light branding on the back. Size 11. Hopefully it'll fit on my forefinger. Raw titanium. I have the size 10 on my middle finger here now. So let's get our first look at the raw titanium, which that looks really cool actually. I don't really know what I was expecting, but that looks really nice. Again, it's light as can be. Just, again, it just blows my mind how much technology they've been able to fit into these rings. Fits like a glove on my first finger. Just as a comparison here, I can put these side by side. It's got some smudges on this one, but that's a nice look. Interested to know if any of you all have the latest iPhone in raw titanium, if it kind of wears over time, how that sort of metal looks. Super lightweight, about the same as mine. It might even be lighter. I feel like it should be, right? Titanium's pretty light. There's the ring itself. Let's see again what else comes in the box. So you do have your welcome to the cyborg family. Hello cyborg. Just some paperwork, user manual, how to align it well with the charging dock, how to get set up with the app and Bluetooth. USB-C to USB-C in a nice new kind of braided material, which is super nice. USB-C to USB-C. I'll put that aside. And then finally, the little puck that you charge the ring on. It fits nice and snug and will light up here to show you that it's charging. That is the Ultrahuman Ring Air in raw titanium. That looks really impressive. I think that looks really nice. A short video today, just wanted to unbox the new colorway, the new look, the new material of Ultrahuman Ring Air. Again, 10% off in the description down below if you want to pick yours up today, or if you want to pick up the M1 glucose monitor, that will also be 10% off with my affiliate link and code. But thanks so much for watching. I know that Ultrahuman has another product coming out, I think this summer. It's a home device, which will tell you about the ambient light, dust particles, all sorts of crazy noise pollution stuff that goes on in your homes, and I will be reviewing that hopefully as well. But that's gonna do it for this video. If you liked this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, watch this video. I think you're gonna love it, and I will see you all in the next one.